That's a tornado right there.
Look, you can see the cloud spinning beside of it. No, Mom. Why are you calling me?
Go, go, go. Travis, go. That's... Go! Travis.
In my neighborhood, they don't have any homes, and I just want to get the photos out there so people can see the damage that the weather the caused in our neighborhood, and we need all the help we can get.
Well, the photograph we're looking at at the moment shows properties that are unrecognisable as homes. It just looks like matchsticks. Where have the people gone? Have they managed to find shelter?
I yet do not know, but there's people coming from all over central Illinois coming to Washington to support the families and help out as much as they can.
How does this particular storm system compare with storms you've seen before?
I've never seen anything like it. I mean, growing up in Washington most of my life, it's always been a very peaceful town. And, I mean, I can't believe it. This is something I've only seen on TV, and just to experience it, it's unreal.
Are you hearing of whether people have been hurt?
I yet haven't heard if anybody's been hurt. You know, I've been praying for the people so they can get all the help they can. And you know, we own a business in town, and there's been just so much traffic, and we haven't been able to check it out. I saw people on the streets, you know, removing the pieces of the building to see if there's anybody trapped underneath the house.